Creating a heartfelt hug video has never been easier thanks to Luma AI. Whether it's for a special occasion or just to share love across distances, this AI-powered tool allows you to craft immersive and emotional visuals effortlessly. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Sign up on Luma AI. Start by visiting the Luma AI platform and signing up for an account. The interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you, making it perfect even for first-timers. Step 2. Upload your photos or videos. To create your hug video, upload images or short clips of the people involved. Make sure the visuals capture the essence of the hug. Even separate shots of individuals can be seamlessly combined using Luma AI's technology. Step 3. Select the hug animation feature. Luma AI offers a unique hug animation option under its emotive scenes category. This feature enables you to generate a virtual or animated representation of the hug, blending creativity and realism. Step 4. Customize the background and effects. Choose a backdrop that enhances the emotional tone of your video. Options range from cozy interiors to picturesque outdoor settings. You can also add soft lighting effects, slow motion transitions, or even subtle heart animations. Step 5. Export and share. Once satisfied, export your hug video in high resolution. Share it with loved ones or on social media platforms to spread love and positivity. Luma AI makes creating a hug video easy, meaningful, and fun. Start today and turn simple moments into unforgettable memories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.